Good morning. What's up, Alicia? You first, huh? Sun it soon. Good morning. How's everybody doing? I just wanted to hop on for a quick. Thought maybe we could mark a few levels. Pre-market. See how everybody's doing this morning. What's up, Michael? Everybody all right? I'm just wondering. How come I've got two market commissions? Oh, yes, dude. Good morning. Good morning. Everybody okay? Hey, thanks for hopping on with me. Hopefully everybody's doing good this morning. Ate some breakfast, feeling nice. Got your Wheaties. Michael. Oh, man. I swear I saw this name here, Robert D. Massey Sr. I was like, Robert Downey Jr., what? It looked, I had to double check. Everybody okay? So we kind of, from last night, those levels I was giving you guys, it's hard. Like I said last night, it's hard to say give levels for the following day other than some bigger levels. Because we already broke. We broke under this low of day right here. We made new lows here at 586.10. You could just about call it 586. And I would say still got some there at 587.30. So for now, what's up, Larry? So for now, and things can still change. It's 8:53 a.m. Eastern time. So we've still got 35 minutes till opening bell. I would dare say above us on the 5, we've got the 200 EMA, which often acts as resistance or support depending on what side it's on. What's up, Chung Chung? Fred Jackson. Was I crazy for buying a call in the last 5 minutes yesterday? And I'm holding. Fred, wasn't a horrible idea for a possible bounce. Wasn't a horrible idea. Depending on, did you buy in the money or really close to in the money? What's up, Saiz? OD Industries, Force Within. What's up? What's up? What's up? So, it wasn't a bad idea if you bought, if I was going to have bought a call yesterday at the end of the day, I would have probably bought at the money maybe one strike out, and would have took it out for a couple of days, maybe even Friday, to give it a little bit of room, because we could get a bounce today. It's pretty much, it's up a little bit from closing bell yesterday. So like if you took it right here, you're going to be up. You're going to be up a point and a half, 2 points maybe when we open, if we still get it. So 590, yeah, that's not bad, man. Yeah, 590. Hello, Lakulu. Yeah, if you get out of the money too far and you only buy like a day out, the theta and the volatility, if it's dipped too much, it could, you might come in thinking, hey, I should be up, and it's down, or if you get too far out of the money like that, it'll eat the contract. The time decay will eat the contract real bad. So when I do plays like that, and I don't often advertise them because they're riskier. Yeah, that's smart, Fred. Set your stops early. I mean, it won't help you in pre-market. An option won't execute during pre-market or after hours. A stop won't. And I'm not sure if you set a stop loss on an option, if you do good till canceled, if it'll hold overnight or not. It might hold overnight and still be active, but if during the after hours or nightly market it dips below that, then it'll be null and void. It won't work. Hello, Uniquely. Good morning. So, above us, I've got 590.80, which I think is what I had last night on the live when we did the live together. And that's also ends up being exactly pre-market highs. So, excuse me, guys. So 590.80 above us, resistance. And I would feel pretty confident playing that up towards 592.40. Now, a lot of this can change when the market opens. I'm going to start looking at MACD and RSI some more. And we got the 1 hour pointing up for us. Looks like we've, RSI is a little mixed. Just trying to come across the signal line again here. If we go to Trading View, it's on the 1 hour. We got a little gap in this volume profile here towards 592 also. So that play I just told you makes sense to me. Over 590.80 back towards 592.40. Okay. Red nucleus, not necessarily. What's up, Brandon? Yeah, please hit the like, and remember, if you've not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe for me. So I'd like to keep growing this. I need to get X number of watch hours and X number of people subscribed. That'll help my channel grow. But I'm not necessarily bullish or bearish, either one, like Josh was saying in his video yesterday. These are really, to me, even better times. When we're in a bull market and we're doing this, let's see here, what's this from April? up through July. These are times in which people like to swing options out because we're moving in a bull market, and you swing options out, a month at a time, and they're fairly safe. This area up here, I think, is smarter to play level by level and a little on the safer side, so you're not stuck holding options overnight for very long anyways. Nothing super high risk. So I'm not necessarily bullish or bearish. I'm just trying to react to what the market starts giving us, and I want to be prepared with levels on both sides. So yesterday's lows matter, and I kind of like moving it up here to these bodies on these smaller time frames. So 587.75, we start breaking under that, we can get this 586.10. And if I go to the 1 hour and we lose 586.10, I got 584.50. So you can mark these levels on your charts, guys. That way, when you're coming into them, I should be on with Josh this morning on his live on the VIP. But you don't have to. If you got them marked and you're seeing the momentum carry across those lines, I'm pretty confident in my lines. I ain't saying they're 100%, but I've been pretty consistent with everybody. I think they're pretty solid most of the time. This is a biggie here, 584.50. If you break this is the last time we broke it. Look at this flush. That's a 4-point move. So I've got, I definitely go to my drawings and mark me a line here. You could just catch the bodies if you want. At 582, that's still a 2-point move. But if we get all the way back down here to these lows, 580, 580.40, something in there, that's what I would have marked up. Michael, you said we got unemployment at 8:30. Has that already happened? 8:30 Eastern. I'm going back and looking at SOIE also for a minute. I tried it yesterday on this oversold. Got a little snow back here on this one. I got a little scalp. These couple of candles, not much. I started nibbling again right here, around 450. The thing that when these 1 hours aren't popping like I want them to, you got to go look at the daily. And if you notice, we're crossing down still. I'd say there's more downside now. We could meet and pop back up here. So I'm not going in heavy right here. We could come all the way back down on SOIE. Back down here. This was the last support at 404. If that doesn't hold, then you start getting into this 380 business. So I'm not buying heavy unless I see the 1 hour start getting stronger. And it's trying to, the MACD's trying to cross up on the 1 hour. We're quite a ways from the zero line. And the RSI is still low, but we did get a cross up on the signal. So we could get a pop on SOIE here. Wouldn't surprise me to pop back to VWAP and maybe even up here to this structure right in there at 478. But ultimately, if that daily is still showing some down movement, we're still over the zero line. Last time it caught right on the zero line and then come back up for this last big move we got. It's still trending in my channel that I've got here. I'll take my channel off and do a regression. Let's do regression channels easier. Trend regression. So you take it right here towards the bottom to the top, and you could kind of see. Now this is the last line of defense, 310. You lose 310 down to 3, something like that. Boom, we're all the way back down here at 233. So I don't want it to break under this channel. 407 would be about it, and then we're going to start coming down further. Good morning, Graham. Lakes Automotive, good morning. Brandon. New jobs, 146 versus 136. Okay, expected. Unemployment slightly better than expected. Okay. And what was FOMC? Is it today also FOMC? Yeah, so we took a good lick on a lot of alts yesterday. We'll see what happens. Oh, at 2:30. Okay. Those are hard to trade, but if you like taking some risk, ODIC Industries, that's the fixed range volume profile. It's on the 1 hour. You know, the best support is plumb down here, of course. But we got a big shelf right here. Last time this upper shelf held, yeah, we don't want inflation rearing that head again, do we? Okay, guys, so let's look at those levels again on Weeble. Let's go back over here. So 590.80. I would want to break that for calls as of right now. You know, I can't say these are 100% when the market opens, but for what I see right now, 590.80, then 592.40. Below 587.70, 586.10. And then the bigger one, 586.10 and 584.50. Those start breaking. You know, we got a pretty good chunk, pretty good move. So I hope that helps. And anybody got any more questions before I go? Gotta get ready for Josh's live. I do appreciate everybody hopping on with me. Remember, if you want to support me, you can go to my link and subscribe to the Discord that way. Just unsubscribe and resubscribe with mine. I put it in every video. If you go to Make sure, too, guys, that you go to the Discord when you open these YouTube links. Go to this link or that link. Don't just hit play down here. The audio is not right for some reason. Hit that link. Go out to YouTube, just like this. And to YouTube, just like this. And when you scroll up, or scroll down rather, you got this right here. If you click that and open it, there's where my link is for the Discord. And then here's my tip jars. And then here's a Weeble referral link if anybody gets interested in Weeble, and I will help you. I'll help you set it up if you need help. That's what I use as Weeble. Tip jars, referral link for the Discord if you feel inclined to support me. And I'll try to start doing more of these pre-market preps if I can get going early enough. See if that helps people with levels. Also, you can always find my link here on the Discord under pinned messages on my channel, Spylord. Okay. And right there. All right, guys. Any more quick questions? Forto Luther one-on-one getting set up right now. I had hoped a little earlier, but it is really close. Trying to set up how it'll run through the Discord and then how people can schedule and all. It's a little complicated, but we're almost there, and we'll be able to do some one-on-ones, and I'm excited for that. Yeah, Mark and Heather, thanks. Thank you so much. Dwayne, no. I just covered those levels, so if I was guessing as for puts right now, I would wait for I like it a little better right there. 587.30 is my first support. If it starts breaking 586.10, then 584.50. This is how I play puts, level per level, as these break. 584.50 is the biggie. These two here. If this breaks, I think you'll get down to here. If this breaks, it's a pretty big fall. 584.50 is a biggie. So you can play safe and wait on those bigger levels. For calls, I was looking over this 590.80 and then 592.40. Those, there's two levels above, two or three levels below. So if you're not on the live, those are the levels I'm kind of watching. And if you go in on one of those levels, you can play it as it crosses. If you got momentum coming to the downside with you on the RSI and MACD supporting, we could get a bounce day today, where we've had sell off. Do we get a bounce back to here and then sell off more? 1 hour RSI. Let's see here. Daily, let's do the 4 hour. 4 hour did a little reversal in pre-market here. So, right now, 4 hour RSI is pointing up. I'm on the wrong chart. The live link today will be posted right here, guys, under VIP access, VIP live trade. You click on it, And the link's already up. He posted it at 1:23 a.m. Eastern time last night. So just click on this link here, and he usually goes live about 9:30. Okay, it's easy to get to. And anything else? Any other questions? Thanks, Graham. Thanks, Dwayne. Under the 200 EM. Yeah, we're still under the 200. The 5 minute was approaching it. So, oftentimes if we're under it, it acts as resistance. If we're over it, it acts as support. So far, that's on the 5 minute. The 15 will look a little different. It's further away. But it reacts with the 5 minute quite often as those key supports and resistances. And then when you break it, like up here, when you broke it, you see we flushed. All right. Everybody good? Appreciate you guys. Much love. Remember, support me if you get a chance to. I appreciate it. I'm here for you every day. I'm going to be here for you more and more. And I'll see you over in Josh's live here in a little while, okay? Y'all, you can always at me in the Discord. I always try to get back to everybody. Sometimes it's hard, but I do go back and answer questions when I get the notification. Thanks, uniquely. All right. What's up, Lightning? I'm just signing off, brother. I'll be on Josh's live, hopefully. Talk to him in a second. Make sure that I'll be over there. All good, brother, all good. Yeah, these were my levels, Lightning. 590.80, 592.40. I was watching those first two levels for calls. And these were kind of put levels. 587.30, breaking that. Probably smarter is waiting for 586.10 to break. This was the big one, 584.50. 586.10 pre-market lows. Not a lot of volume there, so 587.30 probably better support. And we could get down to here. If this breaks, you can get all the way to 580.30. All right. Quickie. All right, guys. Much love. I'll see you in Josh's live. Peace.